Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder. I'm a travel advisor with drewlarder.com. This is the Rosewood Hotel, Vancouver, Hotel Georgia in Vancouver. I think I named it wrong there, but Rosewood Hotel Georgia is pretty straightforward. The Hotel Georgia, as I knew it when I was younger. And this deck here looks like a lovely rooftop deck, and you think, wow, where can I go to stay at that bar? Well, you can't, because that's part of a suite. The luxury, there's two most luxury suites. They're just $30,000 a night. This is the kind of place that Taylor Swift or the Rolling Stones would stay at when they're in Vancouver. This is the very top kind of experience. And it's amazing for a hotel that's 100 years old, A, to have this kind of setup, B, it's been completely redone. And I think they took something like 300 rooms and compacted it down to about 140 rooms to take away the smaller sizes that were prevalent 100 years ago. I remember staying at the Chateau Louise. There's some interesting parts. Even the highest luxury kind of chateau a long time ago had smaller areas. I remember them talking about the Hotel Georgia being one of the first hotels, this 100 years ago, that it was pretty exciting that it had washrooms in the hotels. We've come a long way. I'm going to scroll you through some pictures. This is, you can tell by the high rises in the background. I don't know how well you can see this, but amazing downtown Vancouver view from this. There's also an actual rooftop deck at the Hotel Georgia, or the Rosewood Hotel Georgia as it's called now. That is on the fourth floor, surrounded on some sides by the hotel. It has a glass roof on top, and so a similar kind of a setup to this. I'm going to go inside here and show you some of the parts that really blew me away. One of the ones, I don't even know if I'll show the art anywhere in here. There's a guidebook when you check in to all the art that's in the hotel. That gives you an idea. That's one of the amazing things. The other is that if you're into art, directly across the street, I'm looking to see if it's that building right there. Directly across the street is the art gallery, and you're in the middle of downtown Vancouver. The waterfront is a couple blocks back. The Burrard Street, which has up and down through Vancouver. Robson Street, famous for all the super high-end Chanel type shopping, is right there. The other way, Pacific Center Mall, one of the biggest malls in BC, is there. A few more blocks past that takes you to Granville Street, the bar district, entertainment district in Vancouver. Back behind you again is Gastown, cobblestone streets, little speakeasy type places all over the place. Interesting, I'll describe this kind of gift shop kind of stores. They hate me calling it that. It's sort of like that. And then a little bit further away, maybe a $5 taxi cab ride takes you to Yaletown. And there are great restaurants in the hotel. Probably one of the foremost, I'm going to say one of the top three. I'm no chef, so I'm just picking a number. One of the top chefs in Canada. His name is Dave Hawksworth, and the restaurant's called Hawksworth. It's in the hotel. So the best place you can go to is right there. Go down the elevator. And then you can take a right and go to High's Steakhouse. It's been around for 65 years or so. Old style service. Anyhow, great stuff. But there are 300 great restaurants in Vancouver. You can get to almost all of them with a $5 taxi cab ride from this location right in the middle of downtown Vancouver. And then when you're inside it, you're in a world apart. It's old style luxury, completely renovated to be brand new, just not like brand new carpets, brand new top to bottom, brand new walls, brand new everything. Just you can imagine if they took 300 hotel rooms and compacted down to 150. That's not, we closed off half of the hotel. That's, we blew out the doors, the walls, and made them bigger, more spacious, more luxurious. That's why this is one of the best hotels, if not the best hotel in downtown Vancouver. I'm going to go inside some of the pictures quickly here. My link is in the video description to book this for you. I'm scrolling from my Fora pictures. That's pretty old style luxury. Let's see what else I can show you here. You can see some of the art. That's the entrance, I think, as you check in. There's a good look at a pretty old style luxury, all done brand new. Everything that looks amazing is amazing. Everything that should be fantastic is fantastic. Everything is, and it's kind of that there's a certain style to it. I remember going into the there because they're showing the workout area. There is just a sea of everything you could ever need, as well as phenomenal. And this would be one of the higher. Obviously, this is a pretty nice spot right here. I'm going to cut it short. If you want to come to the Rosewood Hotel Georgia, stay in downtown Vancouver, click the link for my site. I'm a For a Travel Advisor. My name is Andrew Larder, and you can just click and send me a 1-sentence email. I want to come and stay at the Hotel Georgia in January, whatever. And it'll start the conversation, and we can book for you that. And it is an amazing property. If you're ever to come to Vancouver, this is the place to be, right in the middle of the action. Send me an email. We can set up for you. I'm Andrew Larder from drewlarder.com. I'm a For a Travel Advisor. This is the Rosewood Hotel Georgia. Enjoy.